Alright guys, I'm going to work on the old lady's car. She got a strip lug nut. I got the stud and the new lug nut to put on there. Only tools we're going to need is a sledgehammer, some gasoline, and a lighter. This is going to be good. So let's get busy. Alright, first we got to take the wheel off. Lay it off there. Alright, so now I got to take off the caliper. Just give it a little heat. And you pry on it. Take that off. Alright, now rake bracket here. You just got to smack it with a hammer. Comes right off there. Then the rotor, you also smack with a hammer. Alright, now you just want to pour a little gas on it. Let that soak in so we can get this hub off. After the gas gets done soaking, we'll hit it with the sledgehammer. That's probably enough time. And it just comes off like that. Just a hammer. Now that's the stud we gotta replace where it's all chewed up. Alright, so to get this stud out, you just push it out like that. It made these Saturns real easy to work on. Cause it's super easy. Oh yeah. There's nothing to it. Pieces just fall off, you just smack them around, stuff happens. Now we just push the new one in. We gotta go get it. Alright, you got the new one. You just slide it in there, push it in there. There, done. Are you sure? Yes! Alright, so now we're ready to put it back together. Just want to pour a little gas on the axle here so it'll slide on nice and easy. Alright, you just want to make sure this thing's on here. Just give her a check. It's all done. Now we put it on the rotor. Give her a little tap. Done. Alright, now we can put on a brake caliper bracket. Done. Bolts. Nah, we don't need that. I really like working on these old Kias here. Real easy to work on. They don't have any bolts in them. To hold this thing on, you just put a little heat on it. It binds it together. What the? Now we can put on the caliper. And these Escorts, they have two piston calipers for racing. Because race car. That thing just slides on there and it's done. Give it a little tap. A little bit of heat. She's ready to go racing. Ready to go racing. Yeah. Woo. 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 All right, now it's time to put on the wheel. You just got to get it on there and get it balanced just right. And once you let the car down, it'll stay on there. These Nissans like this, they don't come with lug nuts. Alright, there's the old stud. Stripped out on the end there. So that's how you fix it with these three tools. Can't be afraid to beat on your Honda with a sledgehammer. That's how you fix them. So the old Saturn's fixed up, ready to go. Ready to go racing. Yeah. Alright guys, now that we got this lug nut fixed on this Saturn, it's held together with fire from a lighter and a couple taps of a sledgehammer. She's good to go. So I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.